Here are some medical reasons why modern humans wouldn't survive the medieval era. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, not in your bed, but in the year 1300. At first, it might feel like an adventure, but within days, your body would begin to fail. Modern life has made survival easier, but it has also made us less physically resilient. In the medieval era, daily life required constant physical F-styles. Your body is not conditioned for that level of stress. Perhaps the biggest difference is the absence of a medical system. Today, when something goes wrong, there's always a second chance. Your immune system is powerful, but it's also dependent. Today, vaccines train your body before diseases attack. Antibiotics step in when your defenses fail. But in the medieval era, none of that existed. In today's world, injuries are survivable. A broken bone, cast and healed. A deep cut, stitched and cleaned. But in the medieval era, a simple injury could permanently disable you, or worse, become infected.
But in the medieval world, if your body failed,
that was it.
No intervention,
No backup plan.
just survival or death.
Without antiseptics, bacteria entered wounds easily. Swelling, fever, and pain followed until the infection spread beyond control. Even a small accident could mean the end. Diseases like the Black Death wiped out millions, not over years, but in waves. A simple infection, a minor wound. Back then, survival depended on natural resistance, not medical backup. Water today is treated, filtered, and monitored. But in the medieval world, water was often taken from the same place waste was dumped. Bacteria, parasites, and toxins lived inside every sip. And death follows quickly. Something as basic as drinking water becomes one of the biggest threats to your survival. Diseases like cholera and dysentery cause severe diarrhea and dehydration. Within days, the body loses fluids faster than it can replace them. Your organs begin to shut down. Take away modern medicine, clean water, and stable food, and survival becomes a fight most of us would lose. Not because the world we're built for no longer exists. Today, dental pain is treatable, but in the medieval era, it could be a death sentence. Bacteria from an infected tooth could spread into the bloodstream, or even reach the brain. There were no sterile tools, no anesthesia, just crude extractions, often leading to more infection. Something as small as a toothache could end your life. Modern diets are built for comfort, soft foods, high sugar, constant access to calories. But medieval diets were harsh and unpredictable. Meals were simple: bread, grains, occasional meat, nothing at all. Your body, used to constant energy supply, would struggle with sudden scarcity. Your immune system weakens even further. Survival wasn't just about eating, it was about enduring hunger. The truth is, we are not weaker than our ancestors. We are simply protected.
Subscribe for more deep dives into the human body and survival.